Let's create another example. Select the File button and choose New. This time, make a box pop-up. Enlarge it and add color. Drag another box pop-up inside the first one and choose a different color. Check your pop-up in 3D view. Watch it fold and unfold. Drag inside the view window. Move the smaller pop-up to the side fold and notice how your 3D view changes. Now add a triangle pop-up. Add color and drag it around. Check 3D view. You can also create pop-ups from scratch with the line tool and with library or imported graphics. Check step-by-step projects for a quick start or just explore on your own. Have fun!